So, hey guys, what's up? Let's talk about how to clear your energy blockages. And first, let's learn about what blocked energy can do, can impact in terms of your health, relationship, career, and money, and any areas of the life. If the energy is blocked, what impact it can have on you? So, it's really important to understand the concept of energy. Energy is just a simple form of the universe. At the energy level, we and universe, everything is same. They're all energy. But this energy will be blocked sometime so that outcomes will be different for each and everyone as per their energy level, as per their vibrations level. So let's say I have headache. Obviously somewhere in my body that energy is blocked, especially in my head region, and that's why it can cause headache. And other factors are of course responsible, like there's excess of work exertion, uh, improper sleep, not eating at right time, and anything, any trigger, which could be financial, family or job related, emotional, at emotional level. So those are the triggers which will be contributing the energy to be blocked. And that's why once the energy is blocked, of course you will find the outcomes in terms of symptoms of a particular disease, or you can say the condition which is not actually helpful for you to stay healthy. And that's why energy block can cause different discomforts or diseases in your body. That's why clearing that energy is really important. Clearing those blocks of energy is really important. Once you know how to clear those blocks, or how to clear uh, the blocked energy, of course it will be helpful for you to overcome or to come out of that discomfort or disease as soon as possible. And you will experience, of course, the holistic health, which is a healthy life, which is consisting of pure flowing natural energy. And that's why concept of energy is really important. So, just to clear energy blockages, you can practice few meditations. You can practice yoga. You can practice dhyan, pranayam, or simply I'll give you simple 4 words. Those are, "May God bless you." Well, this is a very simple statement, a very simple word, or you can say it's a very simple sentence. But definitely, it can create magic in your life like anything. If you're facing any of the challenges at any of the level, I mean, at mental, physical, emotional, social, spiritual, uh, or at any workplaces or job level, financial, family, job, whatever. So, if you are facing challenges at that particular area of your life, of course, you have to say, "May God bless you," and that energy which is blocked will be released. And you can say multiple times in a day just to clear that blocked energy. Now, of course, you will get excellent results, or you can say you will get amazing outcomes, and hence you can excel really well in any area of your life. And that's how blocked energy will be cleared. One more technique I personally use is just to practice Ho'oponopono meditation, in which there are simple 4 sentences. Suppose if someone is struggling in terms of earning more money, but right now he or she is not able to earn, and of course he deserves to earn more money. So especially in field of finances, you can say, "Dear money, I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you." Well, these are just 4 simple sentences, but frequency or vibrations of these words are really so high that, of course, it can clear the blockages in terms of finances in your life. So if you really want to do something good, or you can say if you really want to improve your financial life, you can use these 4 simple sentences. You can chant this as a meditation, and that's why it is called Ho'oponopono meditation, which is a Hawaiian technique. But of course, it helps you to clear those blockages of energy when earning is concerned or financial wellness is concerned. So like that you can use this meditation just to clear your energy blocks. And one more simple technique which I have discussed earlier is may God bless you. Well, these two are my favorites to clear the blocked energy, and you can use your own if you have. If you know something more than that, you can share with me as well in comment section, and I'll be more than happy to know if something extra is there for me also to learn. Of course, it will be a great help from you guys as well. Or if you don't know, that's fine. Whatever I have discussed here, you can practice it, and you can clear your emotional, mental, or at any level energy blockages, so that once the energy is blocked, once you have free flowing fresh energy, and of course your holistic well-being will be on its way to flourish. And that's how we enjoy holistic health. That's why it's really important to clear the blockages at the right time. And that's why our mental pattern can be improved, our social interactions can be improved, right? And you can say the earning abilities can be improved, the productivity level at workplace can be improved, relationships can be healed, money blockages can be cleared, and you'll be able to earn much more money which you deserve. So actually deserving factor itself is also really important if we talk about your ability to increase the chances of earning. So of course you should try really hard. I mean, it's not about physical, but at the mental level or at the way which you can do really well. So that also will be one of the special and effective way to clear the energy block. But yeah, of course, you should practice gratitude as well. This is also one of my favorite, and I usually practice. If you are grateful, thankful for whatever you have in your life, this is also working as to clear those energy blockages. That's why, if you really want to clear your energy blockages, practice gratitude, practice thankfulness, practice being grateful for whatever you have in your life, even in smaller things, or even sometimes somebody help you in any way, any form, maybe smaller or bigger. You should always be helpful. You should always feel thankful or grateful, and just experience the joy or happiness within. And that's how your energy will be cleared. Blocked energy will be cleared. It's a very simple way. So these are simple, some 2-3 tricks just to clear your energy blockages. I hope you find this video really helpful. So you can practice these simple tricks and tips, and I'm sure something better will be happening in your life as well. Practice gratitude, practice Ho'oponopono, just be kind, uh, just be thankful, just express your gratitude with others whenever you get help from people in terms of anything. Sometimes we lack of confidence, sometimes we lack of self-esteem, sometimes we find something difficult to express, and if somebody comes to you and gives you the confidence or boosts your confidence, of course it's a very big help, and your confidence level will be back again. You will again feel really refreshed, energetic, fresh, confident, and that will be again your refreshed or reframed version. So if the person, if someone is helping you in that way, and you gain that confidence, or you gain that joy or happiness from the people, that itself is a very big help. So you should be thankful for that, right? That's how you enjoy practicing gratitude, and that's how you increase your energy level. The blocked energy level will be cleared like that. Hopefully you got some of the ideas from this video. So it's my humble request to share such kind of amazing knowledge with other people as well. Do share this video with other people as well, and let's create positive impact in